Hello guys, welcome to GSK Smart World. Recently, Staff Selection Commission released a Delhi Police Constable recruitment notification for male and female. And if you see the website here, this is ssc.nic.in. You can go through it. I provided this link in my video description, and also I have provided this notification link in my video description. You can go through it. And if you see the exam dates here, so we have some last date of submission online application and last date of fee payment and last date of challan generation. So you can see the dates here. So this application last date for submission is September 7 2020, and it starts from August 1. And this fee payment last date is September 9, and you can see the dates, and then so according to you can apply. And the date of computer based examination, so this will be on 27/11, that means 27 November 2022, 14 December 2020. Actually these dates are tentative. It may happen or it may not be happen, because currently we are facing the COVID-19 issue. So these dates are very tentative, so we don't know the clarity. So they can change at any time. They may not change also, so note this point. So this examination applications will be accepted through online mode only. And if you see the exam level of examination, so computer based examination, and next level is physical endurance and measurement test. And also the language of examination will be in Hindi and English only, so it won't be in any other regional languages. Only we have two languages available. So computer based examination will be conducted by the commission in English and Hindi only. And coming to the next point, you can see here pay scale. So pay scale will be, so they are mentioned that level 3 pay scale, so it is from 21,700 to 69,100. So in this way pay scale is like this. So if you see the vacancies here, so for constable executive for male, so total vacancies here 3,433 for male categories. For UR 1,681, for EWS categories 343, for OBC 662, for SC 590, for ST 157. And constable executive female candidates for UR category, so it will be 933, for EWS category 202, OBC 387, SC 328, SC 94. So total 1,944 vacancies we have for female constable executive. And so if you calculate this constable executive ex-servicemen also, this second and third post, so total we have here 5,846 vacancies are available. So this is how we have vacancies here. And coming to the next point, we have nationality or citizenship. Candidates must be the Indian citizen. So candidate must be the citizen of India, and so that is nationality. And if you see the age limit, so age should be between 18 to 25 years. So that should complete up to 1/7/2020. So and also candidate should not have been born earlier than 2nd July 1995 and later than 1 July 2002. So note this point. And if you are from a SC/ST category, age relaxation will be 5 years, and OBC 3 years. And for sportsmen and other persons, so we have 5 years, 10 years. So you can check the notification like this. So according to this age relaxation, so you can apply. And if you see the notifications, next point, so that is essential qualification or educational qualification. So you should complete the intermediate 10+2, so senior secondary. And if you are from sons or daughters of the Delhi Police Department, and you can complete 10+1. So you don't need to complete 10+2. So if you are from a daughter or sons of that particular department. And male candidates must process a valid driving license. So note this point. You should have a permanent license, definitely. So note this point. If you don't have a permanent license, at least you should apply now also. So if you are LLR, you should apply for the permanent license. So candidate should mind this point. And that means license means, so you should have any motorcycle or car cycle, so anything, so 2-wheeler or 4-wheeler, so any license will be accepted. And learner license is not acceptable. So that means if you have a learner license now, so you need to apply for the permanent license. So for NCC certificate holders, if you have NCC C certificate, you will get 5% of the maximum marks. And if you have NCC B certificate, you will get 3% of the maximum marks. And if you have this NCC A certificate, you will get 2% of the maximum marks. That means if our total marks are 100 marks, so if you get 95 marks, so if you are from a NCC A certificate holder, so you will get 95 plus 2 97 marks. So in this way they will add the marks. And if you see the application fee here, that is 100 rupees only. And for women candidates and SC/ST candidate and ex-servicemen, they don't have any fee, so they don't need to pay. So for only other categories and other guys, so they need to pay 100 rupees through online mode only. And so if you see centers of examination, so we are having different regions here. For different regions we have different codes and centers here. So if you are from a central region, you all having these centers, so that in Patna, Purana, so Agra, so whatever you are from that particular center, you need to select those regions. And we are having different regions here. So maximum you can select up to 3 regions. You can select up to 3 centers, and there is no request change for center. So no request change of center will be considered later under any circumstances. So note this point. And if you see the examination schema, and we have 2 tests. So one is a computer based examination, so next is a PMET, so PEMT, so physical endurance and measurement test. So computer based examination, so we have these subjects, and total 100 questions carrying 100 marks. So subjects are general knowledge and current affairs, reasoning, numerical ability, computer based fundamentals. And for general knowledge and current affairs, so we are having 50 questions and 50 marks. And for reasoning, 25 questions, 25 marks. For numerical ability, 50 questions, 50 marks. And for computer fundamentals and MS Excel, MS Word, communication, internet, www and web browser, etc. So we are having 10 questions and 10 marks here. And also there will be a negative marking of 0.25 marks for each wrong answer. So note this point. So if you attempted 4 wrong questions, so that will be the one losing of marks. So one losing of mark. And if you see the topics here, we have we have plenty of subtopics here. So reasoning, we have a lot of subtopics here, and for numerical ability we have a lot of subtopics here. So for particular topics we have a lot of subtopics. So once go through the notifications, as I already provided in my video description, you can go through it. And next we have physical endurance and measurement test. So physical endurance test for male candidates will be, so actually it is divided based on the ages. So up to 30 years guys, so they need to run 1600 meters in 6 minutes, and above 30 to 40 years they need to run 1600 meters in 6 minutes, and above 40 years guys, so they need to run 1600 meters in 8 minutes. And for coming to the long jump, up to 30 years candidates, they need to jump 14 feet. And up to above 30 to 40 years they need to jump 13 feet. Above 40 years they need to jump 12 feet. And high jump also 3.9, 3.6 and 3.3. So based on their age, so these are divided. And standard of physical measurement for male candidates. So once we are done with the endurance test, we have the measurement test. Our height should be minimum 170 centimeters, and 5 centimeters relaxation will be for hill areas and other ST candidates, and other who are from the department of Delhi Police Department, who are sons of Delhi Police Department employees. So they can have 5 centimeters relaxation of height. And our chest should be 81 centimeters with a minimum expansion of 4 centimeters. That means it should be between 81 to 85. So you can see the residence of you can see the 5 centimeters for residence of hill areas, and 5 centimeters for ST candidates, 5 centimeters in case of sons of serving and retired decreased Delhi Police Department. That means if you are from a Delhi Police Department, you can have a 5 centimeters relaxation. And physical endurance test for female candidates. So this is also based on the age. So for up to 30 years, so they need to run 1600 meters in 8 minutes. So above 30 to 40 years, they need to run 1600 meters in 9 minutes. Above 40 years, they need to run 1600 meters in 10 minutes. And for long jump, up to 30 years, they need to jump 10 feet. Above 30 to 40 years, they need to jump 9 feet. Above 40 years, they need to jump 8 feet. And high jump also we have up to 30 years 3, above 30 to 40 years 2.9, above 40 years 2.6. So you can check like this once, and once we are done with the endurance test, so we are having this measuring test for the female candidates. Their height should be, female candidate height should be 150 centimeters and 2 centimeters for residents of hill areas and other areas. You can check here once, and 2 centimeters for SC/ST candidates and 5 centimeters in case of you are from a Delhi Police Department. And so this is about the physical endurance and physical measurement test. So go through the notification once, you can check like this. And so this is about the notification, guys. So once remind all the dates and also apply as soon as possible, because if you do late, maybe in the end of the day server may be busy, so that will be difficult for you. If you apply before, maybe that will be easy for you. So apply as soon as possible. And if you see the application, if you see the exam languages, so Hindi and English we have, so two level of exams we have. So one is a CBT exam and next is a physical endurance test and physical measurement test. So we have to ready for this. And also the pay scale will be, so 20,700 to 69,100 rupees, and total vacancies we have 5,846. And also if you see the qualification, so you must have completed intermediate and you should have a driving license. You should have a permanent driving license. If you have LR, you need to apply for the permanent driving license. So driving license, maybe it may be a car or two-wheeler or four-wheeler, so any driving license is fine. And also application fee will be 100 rupees and no fee for SC/ST and female and ex-services men. So they don't have any fee, only the other categories, OBC categories, they have 100 rupees fee. And also you can maximum select up to 3 centers. There is no request change of centers again. So make sure that once you are selecting the centers, so make sure that everything should be correct. And so this is about the notification, guys. So up to here, if you have any doubts or any concerns or any feedback, so you can comment in a comment section. So based on your comments, I will take care of my next video. And if you have any questions, and if I can, I will make a video on that. Also, if you want to apply for this job and if you want to know the details, each and every step, I have provided how to apply for this job in my video description. I have provided a link. So once go through it, each and every step I clearly explained. So once go through it and get the details. So this is about the notification information, guys. So thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe it, and press the bell icon for more updates. And thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.